Jumping jacks, a full body movement that increases heart rate quickly, improving cardiovascular endurance and coordination. High knees strengthens the lower body while keeping the heart rate elevated, improving agility and endurance. Marching in place, a low impact option that helps warm up the body and gradually increases heart rate without excessive strain. Arm circles with steps enhances mobility, warms up the shoulder joints, and increases blood flow while keeping the body active. Step touch, a lateral movement that improves balance, coordination, and cardiovascular endurance. Side-to-side hops engages the lower body and strengthens the leg muscles while keeping the heart rate up. Behind kicks or butt kicks helps activate the hamstrings and boost heart rate, making it a great aerobic movement. Standing side leg lifts strengthens the lower body while keeping the body engaged in movement for light cardio benefits. Side stretch, a flexibility exercise that aids in recovery while maintaining movement for cardiovascular activity. Toe reach helps with flexibility and mobility while allowing for continued light movement. These exercises ensure that your cardiovascular system is engaged, improving heart and lung function while also enhancing endurance, flexibility, and coordination.